So hello guys, welcome to ICreative Hub. Today we'll learn about the glow effect using this image. I have selected this image from Clipchamp, and first of all I will duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl J, and I will select this flower part by clicking on select and color range. So this one I have selected, and you can, if you want more selection, then you can use this symbol plus, and if I'll add OK, then I will select it. I will subtract this part, so by using lasso tool, and here subtract option should be, you should click on this, okay, and after that you can select this part to subtract this one also, so that the effect will not come here. So Ctrl C, Ctrl V, already selected, and here right click and convert to smart object, and here you can go to blending option, linear dodge you can apply here, and go to blur, this Gaussian blur, see that effect little bit is there. Again Ctrl J, so you can apply on your requirement how much you want to go. So here I need color correction, so I'll go to brightness, and I'll go to color balance. I want to keep it loose. Here I'm adjusting here. Again I have clicked on hue saturation because I want it with orange. So what I will do, I'll do masking here, so that it will affect on here flower part, okay. Yeah, like this. So guys, you can do like this, you can use it, and thank you guys.